Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the shortcut target and permissions so you don't waste time debugging the wrong layer. Open Properties and inspect the target field. If it's missing or broken, relink to the correct file or executable. Make sure you run as the right user and that the file exists on disk or network share. If the shortcut is a URL, ensure the scheme and host are correct. Once done, test by double-clicking to observe the immediate behavior and error messages. Once you confirm the target, try launching the target directly to isolate whether the shortcut or the app fails. If direct launch works, delete the broken shortcut and create a new one. Right-click the target, choose Create Shortcut, and place it where you need it. Make sure to set Start In if the app requires a working directory, add command line arguments if needed, and toggle Run as administrator only when necessary. These steps fix most middle-stage issues, where the link metadata. You finish by testing the new shortcut under typical conditions and with elevated rights if relevant. If the shortcut still misbehaves, open Event Viewer or read the error dialog for codes that point to missing DLLs, permissions, or path issues. Re-register file associations or protocol handlers when links open wrong programs. Run a repair install of the app if file corruption appears likely. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily create a portable copy in a
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.